Okay, we're going to move when we're ready to move our design into Illustrator, we're going to go ahead and choose a letter format, but we're going to edit it. We're going to make it 11 by 11 inches. Okay, I'm going to create 3 artboards. We're going to work in CMYK color because this is going to be print. So make sure it's CMYK color, high resolution, 300 pixels per inch, and hit create. Okay, I have my 3 artboards. I can also, in my artboard window, which is already open, which is over here, I can adjust them so they're all in a row. I kind of want them all in a row like that. And that's through this little button down here. I can also choose how much space I want between them. And I'm going to say I want an inch of space between them. So there's just a little bit more space. Okay, that's in my artboards planner. Remember when you get into into Illustrator, sorry, you work the workspace. I'm going to say for this, what we're doing, you might want to think about layout might be a good one to think about for this because it's going to give you your alignment tools up here. Here's my toolbars ready to go. My color palette's going to be out here. My Pathfinder's out here. It kind of just sets up your desktop in a good way. So I would use the layout workspace. So then you have your 3 artboards. And what I always recommend is bring in your scanned. So if we open up our window to our layers window, you can bring in your design, go File, Place, and bring in your design. I don't think I have any sketches handy. But bring it in, pop it here, and then create a layers, a sketch layer, which would be the bottom layer. And then do an art layer. Now, again, you're working in for a t-shirt. So they didn't really specify, and I'm going to just double check to make sure I'm not misreading the instructions. I don't think they are giving us a minimum. So it should be CMYK 300 pixels per inch is what it should say instead of dots per inch. But you get the idea. We've already set it up. CMYK pixels per inch, 300 pixels per inch. We're going to ultimately save it as a PDF. All artwork must be your own. So remember, you can't grab an image from the collection, and use it. You are recreating anything you use. You're recreating it. Okay. So don't forget that. Don't forget, there's money to be won here. So there's incentive. If it's not just, this is not just for a grade, you can win money. And so that I'm excited about. And I want to see everybody in this class winning money. So let's definitely go for it. And it doesn't give us any other, let me just make sure I'm not missing anything else in the instructions. Okay, and this is where we're going to upload a 10 megabyte file is the limit, which will be fine because we're going to be doing a PDF. All right, so yeah, that's the main thing. CMYK, 300 DPI, and all artwork must be your own. Okay, so those are the things we got to keep in mind. So you're going to bring in your 3 top refined sketches, right? Or your one, I'm sorry, you're going to do your 3 sketches. You're going to share them on Slack. And you're going to tag your group members. Hey, check out my sketches. Give me some feedback. Then you're going to bring your top choice, your number 1 choice of those 3 here. And I've put multiple artboards so that you can try things, explore things. It's not one and done. Put one in, start laying it out. Try something else. Maybe reorient the elements. Maybe change the line weight. Maybe change the color. Like there's lots of things you can do. We're going to look at your digital roughs. I want to see at least 3 variations of the one idea on Monday. So Monday, we're going to look at the digital roughs, right? And the idea is we're going to pick the strongest arrangement. And remember, once you create the items, you're just moving them around because they're already digital. Once they're digital, you're moving them around. You're rearranging them just like we did on our posters. Okay, same thing. Play with colors, play with line weight, play with arrangement. Remember, layer things up front and back. We're doing multiple elements. Use your layers palette. And we're going to look at those 3 variations of your strongest design on Monday. Going to give you feedback. We're going to do a full class critique. And then we're going to do our final critique on Wednesday and submit them right in class. The goal will be, unless you want to make changes, you can do it after class. But the idea will be to get us our final designs, save them out, upload them for the competition. Boom, we're in. And then we'll all go and vote for everybody on the 31st. So that's the plan. I want our class to take all 3 prizes. So we got to root each other on. We got to work together. We got to get our work done. I think you guys have some great ideas. I'm super excited about it. Does anyone have any questions about what we're doing? Nope. Now's the moment. It's okay if you don't have it now, but guess where you can ask a question. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Mara.
Yeah, the sketches that we're gonna draw on Illustrator should be colored and like full as the posters that we did before, or only like rough drawing for the sketch.
No, full color. Full color for your digital rough. Let's make them full color. For your sketching, your refined sketching, they can still be black and white. Your
Mhm.
your full color for your design on Monday, the digital rough, full color. And remember, we had that great discussion post last week on color. So I want you to, and we've talked about color because there's a very specific way that color is used in this art. So remember the importance of paying attention to the colors you're seeing in this art. Remember, you can take one of these pieces of art into Adobe Color and extract the colors from it. Okay? Don't forget that. You have the tools to extract color from any piece of art. So you can pop in whatever inspiration piece you have into Adobe Color and extract the theme. Pull those colors right out, put them in a library, right? Make a library for this. Any elements you're creating, put them in your library, okay? So yeah, there should be all image, no type. We're not worrying about type. We're just doing imagery. We're going to use our Illustrator skills, simple shapes. There's a lot of simple shapes. We're going to pull color from the paintings themselves. We're going to mimic. We can trace over elements, right? Create our own. You can use tracing. So don't forget you can trace. But again, you're going to make your own mashup. This has to be original. It has to be your own art. So we can't just exactly copy what we see. You have to make it your own. Okay. All right. Awesome. I'm excited. You guys are doing some amazing stuff today. Look at how much you accomplished in our little 3-hour class, right? You guys got a
It's
lot
like
accomplished today.
it's like speed design.
That's right. That's right. It
It's
is. We are on fire. Fire. This is it. You guys are going to rock it out of the park. So have a great week. I can't wait to see what you do, and I'll see you Monday. Bye bye.